How basic materials and their CF variants perform under load. We tested ABS, CF, PETG, CF, ASA, and ASA CF, each with a 65-gram weight placed in the center. PETG balances strength and ease of printing with good chemical resistance and layer adhesion. Begins deforming at 75 degrees Celsius. PETG CF reinforced, increasing stiffness and dimensional stability. Deforms at 85 degrees Celsius. ABS, good impact resistance and moderate rigidity. Easy to post-process but can warp. Deforms at 100 degrees Celsius. ABS CF deforms at 105 degrees Celsius. ASA, UV resistant, ideal for outdoor applications with excellent weather and chemical resistance. Deforms at 105 degrees Celsius. ASA CF, reinforced for maximum rigidity and stability in outdoor parts. Deforms at 115 degrees Celsius. Always choose the best material for your specific project. Follow us to learn more.